What's up, y'all? It's Rome Flynn. I'm at the Atlanta premiere of Fantasy Football on Paramount Plus. We got the whole cast here, November 25th. Make sure y'all tune in.
What do you think your character's best line from the film is?
Yeah, that's great. My character's best line from the movie has to be, that's tough. It's tough. That's how I do it in the movie, so.
Heart. Because there's so many elements of the heart. It's warm, it's forever beating, it keeps the rhythm of the house. It's Keisha, the soul, yeah.
I think bold. That's hard, but yeah, I think I would probably say that.
Or the final scene. No, let me see, two. There were two scenes. The flip was amazing. But I would say the final scene, when Bobby Coleman, when my character throws back to Rome's character, and, you know, we make it to the Super Bowl. Those are the two.
Oh, it's where, oh my gosh, I'd have to say the end plays. When my dog is putting all the plays together and everything comes together, and she pulls one of the players in by his helmet. She gets really aggressive with him and then pushes him back in, and then they win the game and they go to oops.
Good kid.